How are you too, Mom? Today I'm making spicy aloo hash browns. First of all, we have to take one bowl and we have to scratch this aloo. This is the aloo potato. Do it only neatly. Don't do like this fast. Okay? It's finished. Let's pour the ingredients inside. This is onions and green chili. Next, coriander leaves. Next, little bit ginger, garlic. Next, little bit salt. Next, little bit turmeric powder. Next, little bit chili powder. Half cup maida. Let's beat 1 egg. 1 spoon cheese. 1 spoon ghee. Let's mix it. Friends, మీరు బాగా నీట్గా కలుపుకోవాలి, ఏది లేకుండా. It's ready. Okay, friends? Let's go, friends. Let's pour some little bit oil. Next, turn aside. Hey friends, it's looking so nicely and beautiful, no? See, friends. Hey friends, wait for 2 minutes. Friends, it's done. Let's take out these. It's garnish time. See here, friends. It's time. Eating time. Let's start. Do it in your home like this. I'm doing next one too. It's so tasty and spicy, friends. Bye bye, friends. If you like my video, please subscribe and press the bell button. Bye bye. I'm eating my food.